Hi YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Norvis. My family and I are traveler bloggers. In today's video, we're going to share with you our top 5 places to visit in Oakland. But before we begin, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification button so that you can be notified whenever we post new videos like this one. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, better known as the Oakland, California Temple. The temple was opened in 1964 and since then it has become one of the landmarks of the city of Oakland. This is a great place to go to if you want to get away from the world and enjoy a peaceful afternoon. The grounds are breathtaking with lovely gardens and fountains that are very well maintained. It offers you lots of stunning views of the Bay Area and there's no doubt that it will make you take a lot of pictures. To make things even better, they offer free parking to all the visitors and allow them to walk freely around the grounds. Regardless of your beliefs, this temple is a must to see. You won't regret the time you'll be spending here. And if you're not a member like us and is interested in learning more about this church, visit the Visitor Center. It's a fantastic place to learn what this church believes in. And what's more amazing is how accommodating and welcome the staff are. Their free tour is very informative. Inside, you will find exhibits for all ages. I can honestly say that the Visitor Center was a very fabulous experience, especially for our baby who couldn't stop pointing at some of the gorgeous interactive displays that they had.
So happy.
Number 2. Fairyland Amusement Park. If you have kids like us, then this place is a fantastic place for you to visit. It's considered to be one of the oldest parks in America, located right on the shores of Lake Merritt. As a matter of fact, this park was toured by Walt Disney when he was seeking for ideas to build his famous Disneyland. This place is clearly a historic one and is the best kids place here in the East Bay. To see how the park looks like, watch our full Fairyland video by clicking on the link above or under the description box below. It wouldn't be fair to compare this park to the big ones, but it still offers a magical place to keep your child busy, such as riding the spiderweb Ferris wheel, the Jolly Trolley train, watching exhibits, watching the small zoo animal, or just slide down this grassy knoll for a fraction of the price of the big parks. So if you decide to visit this park, I recommend you to bring snacks because food can be a little pricey. One important thing to have in mind is their safety rule of admission. Fairyland only admits adults accompanied by children and when they are accompanied by adults. I really recommend you to visit this park with your kids when you get the chance. Sometimes the simple things in life is what brings us the best moments. Number 3. Jack London Square. Jack London Square is Oakland's waterfront. It's a great place to walk and have a good time with family and friends. Here, you will find a great collection of restaurants, outdoor and indoor fun activities such as bowling and kayaking. It's conveniently located at the south end of Broadway across the Oakland estuary from Alameda. If you're new to the area, I recommend riding the ferry. It's very affordable and the views are just breathtaking, where you'll get the chance to see the Golden Gate Bridge and the famous Alcatraz prison right from your seat. Jack London Square offers so many great things and the spectacular views of the water, especially at sunset, just makes it a lovely place to sit to think or just relax and breathe in life. Depending on the day, parking here is generally ample on the side streets and expect to use your coins or card for the parking meter fees. Number 4. Fenton's Creamery. Looking for a place for a date night? Look no further. This is a perfect place to make some lovely memories. It has lots of history, and the most recent one was when the actual storefront appeared in the movie Up. Yes, this movie. It's an icon in the community, and perhaps is the best ice creamery in the East Bay. Just a quick FYI, we're not sponsored in any way by this business, and everything I say about it was based on our experience there. This place gets very busy, so be prepared to wait a little while, but I guarantee you that the food and the ice cream will make the wait worth it.
Ice cream or burger?
Ice cream.
Just be ready to share or come very hungry because the serving portions are huge, especially the ice cream. Number 5. Cathedral of Christ Delights, better known as Oakland Cathedral. This building is absolutely beautiful and definitely a worth to visit even for non-religious people. Here, you will witness a mesmerizing modern piece of architecture integrated with elements of faith. The exterior has the shape of a fish, which is the oldest symbol of Christ. It's made of wood, concrete, and glass. The most important innovations in this cathedral is that it was built to be earthquake safe with an underneath mausoleum and the usage of lights in its walls, which makes the interior very serene and peaceful. This majestic cathedral was built after the original church, St. Francis de Sales, was damaged by the 1989 earthquake. This is the first cathedral in the world built entirely in the 21st century. If you want to visit and learn more about it, they offer free tours Monday through Friday at 1 p.m. or just watch our tour video in the link above or under the description box below. And that's our top 5. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. Your support really helps us a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!